Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to block someone on Instagram application. To block someone on Instagram is super easy. Launch open the Instagram app on your mobile device like you would normally do. After opening up the Instagram app, go ahead and tap on the search box at the bottom left corner. In the search box at the top, type in the name of the person you want to block. After typing down the name, tap on their profile and it will open up their profile like this. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and in the pop-up click on block. Click on block one more time in the pop-up to block the person, and then the message will appear confirming that the user has been blocked. And that's it. You are now in control of who can interact with you on Instagram. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.